In this video, we're going to build a fun mini project, a digital store billing and checkout system. Section 1. Integers and floats. When handling numeric data in Python, we primarily deal with two main types. Integers, whole numbers without a decimal point, such as item quantities. Floating point numbers, numbers with decimal points, used for currency values or rates. Section 2. Basic arithmetic operations. Next, we need to calculate the subtotal before taxes and discounts. We'll use the multiplication operator as well as addition and subtraction to factor in shipping fees and discounts. Section 3. Checking eligibility with Modulo. The Modulo operator returns the remainder of a division. It's extremely useful for checking divisibility, such as determining whether a customer ID is even or odd to apply a special promotional offer. Section 4. Exponents and loyalty points. To calculate loyalty rewards based on customers' account tier, we can use exponential growth. In Python, power operations use the double asterisk operator. Section 5. Order of operations with parentheses. Python follows a standard mathematical precedence, performing multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. To override this order and ensure calculations happen in a specific sequence, we use parentheses. Let's compute the final invoice amount incorporating a 9% sales tax. That wraps up our store billing script. You've learned how to harness Python arithmetic operations like plus, minus, and another to control math logic using parentheses and store result dynamically in variables. If you enjoyed this tutorial, drop a like and subscribe for more hands-on Python projects.